Shalom and welcome to 2 Minutes of Torah. This session is entitled Daf Yomi, Megilla, Daf Chaf. The Mishnah states that certain Mitzvot that begin in the daytime. And that means from Hachama, from sunrise and on. But if one performed the Mitzvot from Amud Hashachar, from the first ray of dawn, one would be Yotzei as well. The Rashi and the Ran point out that this is because Mekar Adin, really the Halachik day begins at Amud Hashachar. But since it's not always easy to detect the exact moment of Amud Hashachar, we wait till Hachama, when the sun is clearly visible as the ball of the sun comes up. The Shatzion points out that one does not need to wait till the whole ball of the sun is seen, but rather when the first comes up above the horizon, one sees the sun. That already is defined as Hachama. That's the beginning of the Yom for the Mitzvot, and therefore one could perform the Mitzvot at that point. It's important to differentiate those Mitzvot which are dependent on Yom, and therefore Mekar Hadin could be done from Amud Hashachar, but l'chatchila we wait till Hanaiz, like the Mishnah in Megilla Daf Chaf, and other mitzvot which seem to begin in the morning but are not necessarily dependent on Halachik Yom. One example would be tzitzit. That is the Zman Misheyakir, which is a time that one could see his friend from a few amot away, based on a light that's in the sky. That is the time after Amud Hashachar and before Hanaiz Hachama. Kriya Shema also is the same time. Another mitzvah which one may think depends on the Halachik Yom, but does not, is Birchat Hashachar. Birchat Hashachar could be done even before Amud Hashachar. Goes by one when wakes up, even if it's an hour or two before Amud Hashachar. It's when his functional day begins. So really one must analyze each mitzvah and to see whether it's dependent on the Halachik Yom, which means l'chatchila at Hanaiz and b'di'evet at Amud Hashachar, or if it depends on something else, like Misheyakir, or whether it depends on one's functional day, or it could be even earlier. Each mitzvah has to be looked at and analyzed in its own manner. Shalom.